sorry, I'm unfortunately have to record this one again because the third Farmington, the one that's shooting on with us, I'm gonna have to wait till the actual fair, which won't be until August. But here's this one again. Droopy blades. Oh my god. And they've not replaced this thing. It's been there throughout the time I've been to the fair. Since 2010, I believe. Hampton Bay Farmington, canopy, this. I wish I could come in and be part of the group and demonstrate this freaking fan, but unfortunately this is the Girl Scouts. And I'm not a freaking girl, so I'm sorry. If I can just look. It's gonna be still running the fan.